So the hangar project is 3 hangars of $1.5 million each, $1.58 million each.
The door beam right here takes us about 14 hours to do. It's 105 cubic meters. This, they set roughly up to grade to where we can just start laying forms. We'll still have to water and roll it. So over here is the concrete pad that we did about 4 days ago. Today they should start using our easy drill, which has 3 jackhammers on it. Just drill three dowel holes at a time. Over here, they're actually setting the dowels. They're greasing it with grease tubes. They're hammering in the dowels to make sure that we can pour that lane. It should be about a 8 to 10 hour pour with 14 guys. We still have 7 more lanes to do to completely fill this, and then walk on over to the 3rd hangar to do the whole process all over again.
So out here, I'm in charge of overseeing all of the form construction, all the bolt placements, all the steel that goes up, anything that is past horizontal. So right behind me, hangar 2, the guys back there are putting up what we call the D-frames. It's what helps stabilize the legs. There's 20 legs per hangar, so that's going to keep the hangar from collapsing when we actually set our first pickup.
This is not a 9 to 5 job. This is more like a 7 to whenever you're done job.
So what we got going on here tonight is nighttime pour for the door rail of hangar number 3 for the 3rd of our hangars. We've got to essentially work at night due to the weather, the warmer temperatures, and the winds that we've got during the daytime. This is pour 4 of 5 for the actual footers, and then we'll have a series of lanes interior where we're standing right now that'll actually be poured out, but at a later time. Morale seems to be high, at least from what I can tell, and I hope I would be able to tell. So they're doing well, they're motivated, kind of getting the round and 3rd kind of heading for home at this point, and so they really want to finish strong. They want to see all 3 of these hangars with the steel up, so this is just another step to actually get to that point.
At first glance, it's a lot of hard work knowing what goes into it, but if you don't know what goes into this, you're like, oh, that's pretty cool they could do this. But being out here where it's so rural and out here in the middle of nowhere where you have no tools, and the tools you do have crap out on you, then, it's hard work. It's a lot of hard work.
How do I feel about being the largest troop labor project in the Air Force? I like it. It's good. It's a good feeling. It's, someday you get to look back at this. I'm sure it's going to be in the next civil engineering history book and as the largest project, and you're going to look back at that and say, hey, I was part of that.